Hi everyone and welcome to another Qigong video. Today I invite you to join me for a 10-minute energizing morning routine to start your day feeling good and balanced. Stand up nice and tall, relax your whole body. Soften your knees and drop your tailbone down to lengthen through your spine. Relax your neck and shoulders. Then go ahead and rub your hands together, focusing on the center of your palms and your fingers. Then rub the back of the hands. Then dry wash your hands all around, taking the warmth and awareness all away. Then with your hands nice and warm, massage your face. Relax your forehead, between your eyebrows. Relax and soften your jaw. Then go ahead and tap your head. Then from here, tap the bottom of the neck, where we have the 7th vertebra spine. Change hands and do the same for a few more seconds. Relax your hands down. Then from here, begin shaking your wrists. Relax your neck and shoulders and bring your attention to your wrists, the center of your palms and your fingers. Then go ahead and shake off your elbows. Then lift your shoulders up. Nice tight squeeze at the top, then relax down. Do that for a few times. Then begin shaking your whole body. Keep your feet firm on the ground and your tailbone relaxed down. Create a subtle vibration through your entire body. Then we're going to breathe as we're shaking. Go ahead and take a nice full breath in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth, releasing some tension, softening the entire body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Slow down and take a moment to notice how your body feels. Then move your hands in. Take a nice full breath in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Arms flow down the sides. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax the hands by the side. Then go ahead and take a nice full breath. Open the chest to the sky. Exhale, forward bend. Keep your back fairly straight. Inhale, raise up, lengthening through the front of the body. Exhale, relax and soften. Breathe in. Open the chest, look up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Using the power of breath to open the body. Breathe out. Relax. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Let your body weight sink into your heels. Relax your neck and shoulders. From here, twist to the left. Place your right hand on your lower back, your left hand behind the head. Go down in a twisted motion, so your left elbow reaching towards the right knee. Pause. Release. Stand up straight and turn to the left. Look up, lengthening through the front section of the neck. Release. Come to center and turn all the way to the back, twisting your body like a towel. Release the position. Come back to center. And change hands. So your left hand goes on the lower back, your right hand behind the head. Twist as you go down. Your right elbow reaching towards the left knee. Round your back, open up your spine. Release, slowly come up. Nice straight posture here. Turn to the right. Open. Release, soften as you turn all the way to the back. Release the position. Come back to center. And let your arms relax down. Take a moment here to relax and observe your whole body. Then go ahead and step out wider than your shoulders. Place your hands in front of the lower abdomen, palms facing down, and find a comfortable position. Then go ahead and inhale. Open your entire body. Exhale, soften and sink down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your spine nice and long and your tailbone down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, open. Exhale, soften down. Bring your hands in front of the lower abdomen. And then we go in reverse, gathering the energy around us. Full breath here. Exhale, let the energy sink down, flowing through your entire body. Inhale, taking fresh chi first thing in the morning. Exhale. Inhale. Keep the crown of the head nice and open. Your spine is long, accumulating, gathering the energy around you. Exhale, let it flow. Then stop with your hands just outside your lower abdomen. Turn as if you're holding a pillow against your stomach. Soften your knees, drop your tailbone down. And let's do a few minutes of a standing meditation. Become aware of your entire body, feeling all the sensations inside. Feel the chi traveling up and down your spine, flowing down your arms and your legs. Feel your feet flat on the ground, connected and grounded to the earth. Feel your spine and the crown of the head reaching upwards. Then go ahead and take a nice full breath in into your belly. Exhale, slowly guide your hands and place on your lower abdomen. Bring your feet together so you have a more comfortable stance. Become aware of your entire body. We're going to finish today's practice with a centering exercise to calm the mind, ground the thoughts, and focus our attention on the present moment. Breathe in slowly and raise one hand up. Exhale down the center. Keep your breath slow and deep, focusing your mind on your breath and the sensations inside the body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more round. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let both hands rest on your lower abdomen. Relax and soften your upper back. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you feel nice, centered, yet energized. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support free videos on YouTube. I wish you a great day, good health, and see you soon.